Whoever built this thing was a bit of a robot because this cooler's on backwards and the wiring in this case is absolutely horrendous. And this is an NZXT case, so it has plenty of easy ways to do proper cable management. So this dude probably didn't know what he was doing. There you guys, so boot to the BIOS. This is actually a really nice computer. The motherboard's a MSI MPG Z390, and it's got an Intel Core i5 9600K and 32 gigs of RAM, and some freak threw this out. I don't know why. Maybe it was getting throttled because these two fans are like battling each other. Actually, it looks like they unplugged this one. Probably because that was happening. If you have the fans like this is not ideal. You want this one on that side. And obviously this is a disaster in here. But this is a really nice board. Let's see if we can see. I don't think it has any drives in it. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, no, there's no hard drives in it. It's got USB-C on the top, USB 3. Kind of wish there would be two USB 3 ports, but whatever. But yeah, whoever built this thing had no idea what they were doing. That's what it seems like. It's missing this bracket for the PCI ports, and they were also trying to use the onboard video. Maybe this wasn't even meant to be a gaming PC. We'll never know, but it looks like the motherboard's barely screwed in the case because this is all bent. And when I plugged in the keyboard and mouse, I kind of had to, like, you know, move it over a little bit. Yeah, this is a disaster. They used the complete wrong screws to mount the motherboard. And that's why the motherboard's so easily moved. There's no screw up there. This is really bad. This might actually be one of the worst built PCs I've ever seen.